guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Apta Stories. Today we got something special covered for all the data science aspirants out there. We got some different set of questions asking about the Academi courses. Let's get started. To give a quick intro, she's Harika. She's a data scientist from Apta. Hi Harika, welcome to the podcast.
Hi Anirudh, thanks for having me today.
To give the quick glimpse about the podcast, we got some different questions from the aspirants across different social media platforms. Asking about the courses which you're providing. Let's get started. Coming to the first question, this was asked by a BTech undergrad. He is asking that why two different courses? Is there any particular reason?
First of all, these are not courses, these are programs where people will be working with data scientists. Okay. So the two programs what we offer are Training Camp and Career Camp. Career Camp is designed for those who have data science knowledge. So who already know data science and want to implement their learnings. They'll be working on a project and they can build good portfolio. The Training Camp is intended for those who have basic programming knowledge and who want to start learning data science. So that would be starting from the scratch. So they'll learn the concepts and then they'll work on projects.
Okay, as you stated that they'll be working with the data scientist, right?
Yes.
What is the typical learning experience going to be?
See, both the programs are for those who want to start their career in data science. So they can experience what a data scientist role would be like in real time. Okay. So the learning experience, see, people start doing their research, like what is the problem statement, so how can I approach the problem, so where can I get the data. So these projects doesn't start with the data set. So people have to do the research, people work on data. So see, being data scientists, our job is to work with the data, organizing data, cleaning data. So this would take up almost 80% of our time. So that people have to learn. So while doing research, so they'll be working on all these phases. The learning experience would completely be different. So see, this is not like any traditional capstone project where a data set is given and what developing model. See, in real time, if you see developing model, like that's not the end.
Okay. You said about the projects, right?
Yeah.
You said about it is not something relevant to a capstone project. You said they are having some industry standards.
Yes.
How exactly you have segregated the pool of projects?
See, we have curated projects from different industries. Even we have worked in different domains, we have built POCs. So the list of projects what we curated are from different industries. For example, the projects are listed from healthcare domain, from finance, even from human behavioral analysis. So the projects are listed from different industries, so that people, even from different domains, people can use their domain expertise and they can learn the data science, or they can use the AI capabilities.
Okay. Coming to this is my personal question.
Okay.
The education segment, the education industry is transforming from offline to online.
Yes.
Is there any particular reason that you are coming in a reverse direction from online to offline? And it is only offline course, you're not offering any online course also, right?
Right now, we are not offering any online programs. See, if you observe and see real work environment, the collaborations or for the ease of interactions and all, working offline, it's not just offline. We, as I mentioned, like people will be working in work environment. So these work environments, the collaborations, the ease of communication, everything would be possible. See, being present in an office and working on a project and collaborating with different teams, see, that would give you completely different experience.
You said that they'll be working in an office and work environment.
Yes.
Means they'll be collaborating with different teams like UX designers and full stack developers.
Yes, they'll be collaborating with different teams. See, being a data scientist, like what people think that like if I work with machine learning model or deep learning model, so that's not the end. In real time, whatever the models you have developed, if you have to take it to the user in the form of an application, then you have to collaborate with different teams to make it as a full-fledged application. So it starts with the design. See what user wants. So the design phase is where you design how your application should be. So that would be the start point, and then it goes to the development. Again, front-end developers, back-end developers, a team of development will be working over there. So whatever the model you have developed, that has to be integrated. Sometimes there could be a requirement where you have to work on edge computing devices. So then whatever the model you have developed might not be feasible to be deployed. Then you need to work with quantized models. So quantization is something that data science people would relate. They might be knowing these terminologies and all. So at that point, like, it's not easy for you to just whatever the model is developed to deploy it over there. So you need to do some computations additionally. You have to convert models. So all these things would be there whenever you want to scale your application, like whenever you want to have the application to go to the production. So these many things, like, don't you want to learn all these things? So being present offline, collaborating with different teams would help you understand what a project development would be in real time.
To get the crux of the program, are you planning any events for the students or aspirants?
Yes, we are planning few things. The first thing is a webinar, so which is coming up on 1st July. The webinar is all about how to launch your career in data science. Do check out and do register yourself for the webinar if you are interested. And if you don't want to wait till 1st July and want to know more about the programs we offer or any queries related to data science, you can book one-on-one interaction with us. Our data science team would be interacting with you.
We got a technical question. He's asking that he's more interested into machine learning, it seems.
Okay.
Will there be any project assistance for only machine learning projects or something related to it?
Yes, see, people who are interested in only machine learning, they can take up a project where their machine learning or whatever they have learned, they can implement.
Okay. The other question is, will there be any placement assistance from the programs?
Yes, we offer assistance. Whatever the projects you do here will obviously add value to your portfolio. So we'll help you in building your portfolio and will help you in resume reviews.
I think this is done. Thanks, Harika. Thanks for joining us. I hope that the answers which you have given will definitely give some insights about the programs which you are offering. Would you like to say something about the webinar which you have mentioned in the pod?
Yes, just mark your calendar on 1st July. Do attend the webinar, and if you don't want to wait till then, just book a one-on-one interaction with us.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for the next podcast.